Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it's we're going to do these brakes on this little Fuso that we looked at last week. The pads have come in stock now, the sensors we're waiting for, so it's currently Saturday morning. I've got this to do, these rear brake pads, and then after this I've got an air service to go and do as well, and then once they're done I'm off for a week. We get them holidays in, haven't we, before end of the year. Problem is I don't take any holidays, and then I come to end of the year and I've got to take them all. Never mind, we can't carry them over or whatever, but then I just end up with the same situation again next year. I've got loads of holidays I've not taken, blah 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 blah, and yeah. So just show you this socket. These Fusos, it's a 41mm socket. Now I'll show you when I get to it, but basically you undo the nuts, you take the wheel, one wheel off, and then the inner wheel, you can see inside, you probably won't be able to see on camera, there's a little square inside that, and then the square goes onto the end of the stud, and then you wind the stud out, and then the next wheel comes off. Not a good idea if you ask me, but anyway, what you tend to find is you can't get them undone. They're usually absolutely solid. But these things are sent to trials, aren't they? So we'll crack on and get it done. And it's a cold but sunny day, so that'll do for me. Don't mind the cold, just don't like the rain. So yeah, let's crack on and see what we can do, eh? Yeah, so that's the outer wheel off, and then what you do then, you put your socket back on, it locates on that square that's on the end there, then you undo them ones, then the inner wheel comes off. So for those of you who might have noticed, I undid it with my torque wrench, which I know is not ideal and you shouldn't do it. However, I've had to improvise because I've lost my inch adapter. My inch to 3/4 I've lost, so I can't put up my 3/4 bar. So yeah, anyway, what I'll do, hopefully the torque wrench will crack them, because these are usually the ones that's a problem now, getting these out. And then we'll be right at that. Right, so we'll just show you that's them studs that you unscrew. Let's just screw onto there, and that lip there sits against that wheel and puts it up, and then obviously you've got your studs in anyway. So yeah, so the one thing you've got to remember is when you put them back on, torque the inner wheel, then put the outer wheel on and torque that one. So the other thing to remember on these is the driver's side's on the right hand thread and the passenger side's on the left hand thread, which for anybody who doesn't know, basically always work on the theory, righty tighty, lefty loosey. When you get a left hand thread, it's the opposite way around. So it's righty loosey, lefty tighty. Don't work that for me. I like righty tighty, lefty loosey. So yeah, so I'll do, whip this wheel off now, look at these pads. I've never changed brake pads on one of these before, so today's a school day for me. I've never done them. So we'll see what they like to do. They're not the usual air brakes that I like to work on, they're on hydraulic brakes. So the Chinese here. Right guys, so what we've got is two calipers, one at the front and one at the back. So I'm assuming it's a case of, just like doing a car or a van, push the brake cylinder in, undo the caliper, swing it up, just this, leave the carrier on, just undo this piece here, swing it up, pad out, pad in. That's what I'm thinking at this moment in time. Whether that's right, I don't quite know. Anyway, let's have a look and see. Right, so we need to do is get under here and show you. You can see there's a bolt there that the bottom you undo, and one here at the top, and my camera will get it. Let you undo there, it's a bad angle in it, and then lift the caliper off and show you from there. This will get work out. See that piston's going back in now as you wind the G-clamp in. So just wind it all the way in. They're very, very similar to doing a car. Well, they're just like a car. We always say these like a transit van on steroids, these little Fuso things. So there you go, pistons all the way in. So pull that old pad out. You see now, pistons all the way back. So I can put my new pads in the caliper on the here. And then just slide that back on, bolt it up. There's some sliders I'll just show you. You've got to make sure they're free as well. Yeah, see these here? This is where the caliper bolts to, the caliper bolts inside here. And these are sliders, so these need to be free and moving. And then when they release a foot brake, it can let the pad off. If these are seized up, then it won't release the pad right. And then you'll end up with the pad binding and wearing unevenly. So the brakes get hot, etc, etc. So what we'll do, we'll bang the new pads in now, caliper back on, wheel back on, and don't forget, torque the inner wheel nuts first, then the outer wheel on, re-torque again. So quite an easy job that, he says. He's not done the other side yet though, have we? So hopefully the other side will go as easy as this side. The job's a good one. What I'll do, I'll put this back together now and we'll time lapse the other side probably. The job's a good one at that. Right, so I've just checked on the internet, power of Google, 440 Newton meters for one of these apparently. Newton meters, 400. So that's my torque wrench set. So what we do, torque them inner nuts, them in the studs, then pop the outer wheel on, nuts on, torque them. Right guys, so what I've done, I've torqued them to 440 and I've looked on another website because I weren't happy with that, and when I read that, what it said was 440 first torque, 500 second torque, which to me sounds a bit better. So I'm absolutely paranoid about wheel nuts coming loose. Absolutely paranoid about it, especially on this setup, because the driver can't re-torque them inner square studs. It's going to retorque the outer wheel. Well, the way them studs screw onto the stud that's already there, if they come loose, he's going to lose both wheels at once, still going to be bolted together. So I don't like that system at all. I actually think it's a crap system, to be fair. I don't know what's wrong with just putting normal studs in. Why they're going to do it that way is beyond me. I think it's a bad idea. But no matter to argue.
Past the point of no return, baby, on the summer night. A shot of love and a spark of laughter breathe. The stars align and the month times night burn like the ground I leave. Are we leaving on the next train, baby? I do believe. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now I ain't missed a 9 to 5, I don't hear it in my song. I'm gonna pull my weight, don't get me wrong. Brand new start and a whole new part, they are big old shoes to fill. I'll be there on that platform, babe, you know I will. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now nothing is this rush of life, you'll never find its match. So you live to be a million years. All hearts are lost by default in the time of a single beat. We're leaving on the next train, babe, so take your seat.
Right guys, so that's them brake pads done. To be fair, they're not a bad job, are they? It's like doing a bloody car, to be honest with you. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to give it a quick road test, make sure everything's good, which I can't see a reason why it won't be. I hate driving these things, absolutely hate. Good sized truck for its operation, what it's doing, but no, they're not for me. To be fair, the lad who drives it actually quite likes it, so each their own, innit, I suppose. But yeah, we're just going to quick run up and down road, and fingers crossed we should be all good at that. And then after that, we're going to crack on to our next job, which is an air service. So I've retorqued the wheels, put the wheels on, torqued them up, and then did a little quick job on another truck. And then what I've done is retorque these again, because it'll have to fit longer than 30 minutes since we're done. And then what I'll do is I'll put a retorque tag in the cab, and the driver knows they want retorquing, so that'll do it. That we'll just wait till we get nothing behind us. We'll just give brakes a couple of stabs. I can't see it being a problem. Like, yeah, spot on then. Just give it a bit of a dab then on brake pedal at a rater's rate and that. So happy days, beautiful day as well. Just makes a change. So right, let's get this road test done. Right, so that's one torque tag fitted, job done. Off to the next one. Right guys, so I just got to the second job at day, air service, so I'll get this cracked on and I'll time lapse this one because jobs are good at that, isn't it? I'll tell you something, what a cracking day it is today. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful day. Not bad for a Saturday. Right, let's get on and get this done. So that's that air service done. Yeah, jobs are good. So it's now home time. It's currently 2:30 Saturday afternoon, so get ourselves home and see what's going on. So yeah, I'd just like to thank each and every one of you for liking, subscribing, sharing and watching the channel. It means a massive amount to me, and I'm off next week. Got a week's holiday. I'm going to try and get rid of my holidays before end of year, before Christmas. I don't lose them. The problem is I don't really take any holidays during the year, so this is what happens, isn't it? Anyway, new video coming out Wednesday, Saturday next week, and then it'll be Wednesday, Saturday again that week after that. So that's the new schedule for the videos now, Wednesday and Saturday. I find that a lot easier to sort the editing out on, so because usually takes between 4 and 5 hours to edit a video, so jobs are good. Anyway, what we'll do, we'll get ourselves home, we'll catch you on the next one. Look after yourselves and have a good weekend. Catch you in a bit, guys.